Kiran Gosavi has been finally arrested by Pune police. To talk on this topic with us, we have Pune City Police Commissioner Amitabh Gupta, sir. So what would you say? 15 days police had been searching for him.
We have for last 10 to 15 days the Pune police was searching to various locations. It includes Lucknow, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Panvel, Lonavala, Jabalpur, various states. And today morning, early morning at 3 o'clock, approximately 3:30, we have picked him up from a lodge in the Pune area. We are completing the other procedure, and then we will put him before the court and take his custody, and further investigation will be conducted.
Evading arrest in 2018 case. So what is this case exactly?
This is a case of job racketeering. The complainant was promised a job at Malaysia, and it was not done properly, and that is why it was a cheating case, and so a case was registered.
A charge sheet has also been filed in this particular case. So what will be the legal developments henceforth?
So we will produce before court and then take custody, and then whatever is required for investigation and completing the charge sheet will be done.
After charge sheet has been filed, what kind of arrangements are there in the legalities to get his custody and to restart the investigation?
So we suppose other people want, they can have a transfer warrant and get it. We will produce in the court, and as per court direction we will do the investigation.
Chinmay Deshmukh, the complainant in this particular case, has also given some of his audio clips, whereas he has given threatening calls to all of the complainants.
So whatever, if he comes forward and give a complaint, we will register that offence also.
And for 15 days he was moving throughout the country. So what did he reveal, like Kiran Gosavi? What name did he use, and how did he evade arrest for so long?
So few places he has used the name of Sachin Patil. He may be using other names also. That is a part of the investigation. So that we will come to know as soon as.
Anything particular that you can share when both of them were confronted, Chinmay as well as Kiran?
So this has not been done, but after custody we will see what to be done.
Connection with Mumbai drug party. More revelation can come in this particular arrest?
No, we have arrested. If they want, they can investigate it, the sister agencies or the other, whoever is inquiring.
You mean to say that Narcotics Control Bureau or Mumbai Police, if they want, they can go through the court and ask his custody?
They can do whatever legal. If they have a case, they can take a transfer. If they don't have a case, they want to investigate, they can do as per procedure.
But, could you say that this arrest in 2018 case can have some connection with international level, wherein Chinmay was saying that Kiran has some of his men over there in Thailand who were threatening him in midnight hours?
So this is a statement, and after arrest we will investigate all these aspects.
So lot will be investigated, lot of revelations can come out during this investigation and interrogation of Kiran Gosavi. With Cameron Gopal Harne, this is Pankaj Khelkar in Pune for India Today.